Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Prefect for orchestrating data workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Prefect for orchestrating data workflows, begin by accessing your terminal. Ensure you have Python installed, as Prefect requires it to run. Next, create a virtual environment to keep dependencies organized. You can do this by running the command python mvend prefect env. Activate the virtual environment with the command source prefect env/bin/activate on macOS or Linux, or prefect env /scripts/. Once the environment is activated, you need to install Prefect. Run the command pip install prefect to fetch the latest version. After the installation, verify that Prefect is installed correctly by checking the version. Use the command prefect version to confirm installation. Now, set up a Prefect Cloud account if you haven't already. Visit the Prefect Cloud website and sign up for an account. Once signed in, create an API token which you will use to connect your local setup with Prefect Cloud. Return to your terminal and run prefect config set prefect_API_key equals your _API_key. This command stores your API token securely in your local environment. Next, set the Prefect API endpoint to the Prefect Cloud URL. Use the command prefect config set prefect_API_URL equals https://api.prefect.io. Now, you are ready to create your first flow. Start by creating a new Python file where you can define your flow. Import the necessary modules from Prefect by adding from Prefect import flow task. Define a simple task using the task decorator to illustrate your workflow. For example, create a task that prints hello world. Next, define your flow with the flow decorator. Add your tasks to the flow in the order you want them to execute. For instance, call your print task within the flow function. Now that your flow is defined, register it with Prefect Cloud for orchestration. Use the command prefect deployment build path /to/your/file.py your _flow_name to create a deployment. Once the deployment is created, you can run it in the cloud. Use the command prefect deployment apply path /to/your/file.py your _deployment_name to apply the deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.